If you're looking for an FPV racing ESC that supports high voltages and delivers pure speed, then SEQURE's newly launched G2 series is definitely a must-have. The outer packaging of the SEQURE G2 series continues the brand's signature minimalist style. When you open the package, you'll find that the high-density foam inside provides excellent protection for the ESC, so there's absolutely no need to worry about it getting bumped or damaged during shipping. In addition to the ESC, the kit includes a wide variety of practical accessories. The specific list is as follows: 63-volt 1200F electrolytic capacitors, 2 pieces; XT90H M male connector, 1 piece; M3 by 10mm shock-absorbing washers, 5 pieces; H 1.0 to 8P flat cable, 1 piece; 8 AWG power cord, 150mm, 1 black, 1 red. If you choose the H743 V2 and E130 E160 G2 stack series, the following items will be included as additional accessories: M3X 30mm screws, 4 pieces; M3 nylon nuts, 4 pieces; M3 by 10mm shock absorbing washers, 5 pieces; 30 AWG 100mm single-sided SH 1.0 to 4E flat cable, 2 pieces; 60mm long 12095 5-volt buzzer, 1 pieces; SEQURE H743 V2 flight controller, 1 pieces. These accessories are of very high quality, especially the included XT90H M male connector and 8 AWG power cable, which save users the trouble of having to purchase high current connectors separately later on. The actual specifications are shown in the figure below, allowing you to easily compare and choose. If you excel at standard racing, the E130 G2, weighing just 43 grams and capable of a continuous current of 130 amps, is the perfect choice. If you're pursuing the limits of flight, the E160 G2's 160 amps continuous current and 280 amps peak current won't let you down. Your first impression when you hold the actual product is that it's solid workmanship. The G2 series features high-quality multi-layer PCBs with extra-thick copper layers. The reinforced copper strips on the board are clearly visible from the side. This design not only significantly increases current carrying capacity, but also greatly improves heat dissipation efficiency, ensuring stable and reliable performance even under heavy loads. The power input features a unique parallel dual-pad layout. This design significantly reduces soldering difficulty, ensures a more secure connection for 8 AWG thick wires, and provides greater current carrying capacity. The board features integrated low-resistance, high-power MOSFETs, whose ultra-high efficiency conversion effectively reduces power loss, thereby extending valuable flight time. The ESC features a built-in high-precision ammeter and supports real-time transmission of multiple parameters, including motor RPM, temperature, and current, allowing pilots to stay constantly informed about the power system's current state. Upon power up, the ESC automatically detects the throttle signal and is compatible with all D-shot signals, as well as PWM, one-shot, and other protocols, making it extremely convenient to use. Precise switch intervals and superior circuit design eliminate desynchronization issues, ensuring extremely fast ESC response during acceleration and delivering smooth handling and a refined flying experience. SEQURE has equipped this series with a visual programming and tuning tool. Using the software, you can easily configure functions such as motor forward, reverse rotation, throttle calibration, current detection, and telemetry signals. The graphical interface makes parameter adjustment intuitive and efficient. The standard mounting hole spacing of 30.5 x 30.5 millimeters ensures perfect compatibility with the vast majority of racks on the market, and the inclusion of M3 shock-absorbing washers effectively filters out high-frequency vibrations, protecting precision electronic components. It breaks away from the conservative tuning typical of entry-level ESCs, instead delivering uncompromising performance through premium components, wide voltage support, and massive current output. If you're building an FPV drone designed for high-capacity batteries, heavy loads, or simply top speed, the G2 series is the perfect power core for your drone.